We founded Nodoview in 2016, and we were actually looking into the real estate industry and noticed that there was a big gap for real estate agents to utilize high quality content online to gain more leads and to have these stronger online experience. A more efficient use of their time, bringing the best of both worlds, bringing the added value of a real estate agent into this high fidelity, super immersive digital twin. So the technology that we've built today at Nodoview allows you to do one-to-one private viewing. So the example would be, I'm looking for a property, I see this interesting property on a marketplace website, and if the estate agent has a 3D digital twin that he's captured through Matterport, he will be able to send this private link to the home seeker and really connect inside of the digital twin to understand if this is the property that is meeting their needs. We really are able to implement this whole layer of intelligence on top of a regular digital twin. We can extract the data that a real estate agent would want on one side, so we can bring that data back to the real estate agent. We can fully immerse and interact with all of the Matterport content, so we can really understand how people are navigating, how long they're staying, in which room they're going. A lot of benefits on the average commission that people can ask because of a more premium service that they're offering, and then a lot of more people that are interested by properties due to these high quality assets. What we see is that people have bought into the convenience, and that kind of new way of touring properties online is really going to stay over time.